Hey class, in lesson 31 we were adding integers. Remember, integers include 0, the positive counting numbers, as well as negative numbers like -5, -2, -1,000, all those. So when you combine them, when you add them, you have to be used to like digging your way out of a hole, like -5. When you add 7, you're only at +2, which was just a little different. Number lines can help. Now we're going to subtract them. So instead of just, -3 plus 2 being a -1, what if we do -3 minus a +2 and make it look like that? Maybe you want to put parentheses around this guy too, so all the integers are clearly separate. Okay, -3, and then you take away a 2 is kind of like -3 minus 2. Okay, we are at -3. This is 0. And then we take away, we find the difference, another 2 spots. Take away 2 spots this way. So I'm at -5 is how that works. Okay. What about if I have -3 and I take away a -2? So now I've got complete head pretzel here. Okay, let's put parentheses around these. Anytime you see this, I don't know what their trick is or how they make it hard, easier to understand, but you see 2 negatives in a row like this. If you're subtracting, you turn them into pluses. You turn that right into a plus. So then you think of it as -3 plus 2, and that's just like this one before. Okay, that's really what that means. So that's a -1. All right, and they kind of show that right here. Got it? Now, let's do it in a word problem. Debit, credit. Jocelyn's got a checking balance of a positive 1,286. In the mail, she receives a rebate for 25, which means she gained more money. Maybe it's from Menards. But then a bill usually means negative for 128, maybe your heating bill. Deposit the rebate. Withdraw for the check for the bill here. What she got left in her checking balance. So she started at 1,286. Okay. Then she deposited the 25, but took away the 128. Let's add this first, right? 1,286 plus 25 means 11, 11, 13, 11. Then we got to go back on the number line 128 spots. Keep it lined up. Borrow, borrow, borrow. A little messy here, sorry. 11 minus 8 is 3. 10 minus 2 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1, and we still got this one here. So it's 1183. We added, and then we had to subtract. How we doing? Pause and look that back over if you need to. There's some rules if you need them. We're going to do the same thing. Remember, when you see, same thing as lesson 31, except now we're subtracting. If you see a negative, you see a negative, turn those into pluses. So it's -12 plus 3. Go this way. -12 minus 3, now you're going that way. All right? Right? You start at -3 and you take away 12. If it's a positive 12, you're still finding the difference, right? But what about these, right? You want to add these. So do all of these, and then E says pick one to do on a number line. So you got 5 total things to do there. Subtracting integers, and do F as well. So 6 like last time, please. Thank you. Work hard.